Right, guys, I've received my new IR torch tonight. It's the Black Sun Dark Engine Blade, new for 2023. Very small, very compact. Only weighs 170 grams. It has got a push button and a little luminous. I don't know if you can see it. If I put it on, you see that? That's pretty smart. I hate where you have to see a fox coming in, go to put your light on, you've left it on, dead battery. Not anymore. The batteries that this takes is a 18650. 18650, yeah. I think the whole torch is only 167 millimeters. This is 25 millimeters. I think this bit's 30 millimeters. The lens is a tiny little 34 millimeters, which is pretty small. Very small, considering my other one was 50 millimeters. About the same length. It came in just an envelope. I was expecting a box or a plastic container, or that's what all my others normally come in. But just an envelope, which was, it's not the end of the world. But I just maybe it's just me expecting a little bit more. But the zoom is at the front, and it is very nice and smooth. You can you got the dimmer at the back, which is nice. Push button. I've literally just finished. I've just got back from shooting. Shot. What did I shoot? Called in 2 foxes. So you'll be seeing those in a minute. The tree line, the furthest tree line was 700, I think. Seven something. 7 sank. And then where the fox come from, it was 5. And then the fox comes right into 90 yards, I think, before I shoot it. And it's crystal clear. For a little lens, I was expecting a lot of fuzziness and blurriness, but it throws the light out there. No rattles. Every IR torch I've got rattles. The heads are all loose, but not this. This is, when it turned up and it was in an envelope, I was like, oh, did I just waste 149 quid? But I didn't, because I think this is probably one of my best IRs. I actually have got another IR. Not that one. I've got a couple. I always take spares. This is an even bigger one. The size of that thing. And this thing pisses all over it. So, if you want an IR torch, this is definitely the one to get. Is it worth 149 quid? Yeah, I think it is. You can clearly see 700 yards. I could clearly see 700 yards tonight. So yeah. So put that back. So after this clip now, I will be putting up 2 videos of the foxes, and you can clearly see how clear it is. Very impressed. That little light is a bonus. Definitely worth having. Yeah, I ain't getting sponsored for it. It's just my opinion. Would I buy another one? Definitely. Most definitely. Very well made too. It doesn't seem cheap. It doesn't seem flimsy. Just really impressed with it. I was actually really shocked. I thought I was going to put it on, being such a small lens, that it would only shine 200 yards or something. But no, it shines well further than that. You can clearly ID a fox at 500 yards. Easy. So, yeah. Watch the videos. They'll be straight up.
It's coming.
Yeah, don't talk.
I take 100% shot on him. Thanks. He's down. You got him. There wasn't anything wrong with your scope, you were just trying to do an impossible fucking shot, mate. Yeah, he's done. Oh, smell that gunpowder.
This torch is very clear.
Yeah.
That tree line down there's what? That's got to be,
A couple of hundred,
yeah, 500 yards?
at least.
500-600 yards, that tree line.
That was stupid, that fox.
Yeah.